Hello, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm your host, Mrs. M, and if you haven't subscribed, you're missing out on everything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Pow! Good morning, good morning, good morning. So I'm so excited. I'm actually wanting to invite you to my free masterclass on what you need to do to use government cleaning contracts to actually scale your cleaning business. September the 1st through September 30th is one of the biggest times in the whole year to actually win government cleaning contracts. This time frame is really big on everything that you could even imagine the government's going to need. And guess what? They're going to need us, our industry, which is NICS code 561720, more than any other time. So if you've been kind of on the fence, not quite sure, not sure what you need to do, then guess what? Click the link below to register for the free masterclass where I'm going to go over everything you need to scale your cleaning business using Gov cleaning contracts. Looking forward to seeing you there. Make sure you bring pen and paper, your favorite beverage, and make sure you remove all distractions so you're all in listening to what you need to do to actually once and for all get all in with government cleaning contracts. I'll look forward to seeing you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.